We will dive deep into the world of core power, so let's get ready to strengthen, tone, and have fun. Scene 1. Understanding the core. Before we dive into the workout, let's understand what the core is all about. Your core is more than just your abs. It's a complex network of muscles that support your spine and pelvis, allowing you to move efficiently in everyday activities. Scene 2. Warm-up routine. It's time to warm up those core muscles to prevent injuries and enhance your workout performance. Warm up. Torso twists. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart, and gently rotate your torso from side to side. Marching planks. Get into a plank position and alternate lifting your knees toward your chest, engaging your core. Nicely done. Your core is primed and ready for the real challenge ahead. Scene 3. The core power workout. Now, it's time to unleash the power of your midsection with our effective core workout. Remember, proper form is key, so listen to your body, and let's crush it. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and alternate touching your elbow to the opposite knee. Plank hip dips. Get into a forearm plank position and gently rotate your hips from side to side while keeping your core engaged. Russian twists. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, feet lifted, and twist your torso from side to side, touching the floor with your hands. Leg raises. Lie on your back, hands under your hips, and lift your legs up and down while engaging your lower abs. Superman holds. Lie face down with arms extended in front and lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground simultaneously. Remember to breathe throughout the exercises. Focus on quality over quantity for maximum benefits. Scene 4. Emphasizing proper breathing. Practicing diaphragmatic breathing is crucial during your core workout. Inhale deeply through your nose, expand your belly, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This deep breathing technique helps engage your core muscles effectively. Scene 5. The importance of consistency. Building core strength takes time and consistency. Be patient with yourself and commit to your routine. Remember, progress comes from staying dedicated, not from overnight miracles. Scene 6. Cool down. Now, let's cool down and stretch those hard-working muscles. Child's pose. Sit on your knees, reach your arms forward, and relax into a gentle stretch. Seated spinal twist. Sit with one leg extended, bend the opposite knee, and twist your torso to the side. That wraps up our journey to unleash the potential of your midsection with an effective core workout. Remember, your core is your powerhouse, and strengthening it has countless benefits beyond aesthetics, from improved posture to enhanced athletic performance. Thank you for joining me today. Please comment below for more tips and like and subscribe. Until next time, keep challenging yourself, stay motivated, and unleash your core power. You've got this.